In the Word Builder series, the student will work to combine phonetic sounds to decode words, build his fine motor skills, improve his spelling, and build fluency by reading story booklets aloud in class. Parental interaction is essential when the child is reading a word list aloud each day. The student will complete 4 pages every day. In Word Builder's Booklet E, the student will learn to decode words that have short E. On the word list, have the student sound out each letter and say the word. Always do the words located in the review box first. You may guide the child to decode the word by tracing your finger along the arrow. The child should read the word like this: hit, hit. Encourage the student to read the word faster each time. The words on the word list that are not located in the review box are the main focus of this book's concept. Here, the child will sound out the word to work on decoding. The student needs to repeat each word 3 times. Each time, he should try to read it faster than the time before. Again, you may trace your finger along the arrow to provide guidance for decoding process. The student should read the word like this: lead, lead. Some words have special rules, like this one, for example. Here, the 2 S's are pronounced as if they were one single S instead of 2. On this activity, the student will say each group of words, then write the word under the correct picture in that row. Here, the student would read aloud the first group of 3 words: 10, jet, and wed. For each word, the student will find the matching picture in that row. Once he finds the correct picture, he should then write the matching word underneath the picture and cross out the used word. In this exercise, the student will identify the picture and choose the correct spelling of the word describing that picture. The student should ask himself, is this a picture of a net or a met? Once he decides which is the correct spelling, he will then circle the correct word and write the word underneath that picture. This is the part of the Word Builder series where fine motor skills are trained and perfected. Use the arrows and numbers as guidance on how to correctly form each letter. Next, have the student trace the letter in the correct form while saying the sound and then blend the sounds together to form the word. In this activity, the student will work on fine motor while also practicing the looking ahead technique. When decoding words and reading in general, being able to look ahead is what leads to an exceptional fluency level. Here, the student will trace through the maze to connect the pictures. Nonsense words will be seen on word lists throughout this series. Nonsense words are an excellent way to practice the decoding technique. While these are not real words, they are still just as important to practice as the rest of the word list. Have the student sound out each letter and try to read the word faster than the time before. The student should read the word like this: ge, ge. After each booklet is completed, there will be a classwork test done in class with a Gideon instructor to determine mastery so the student may move on. The student must make 4 or less mistakes in order to pass. For any further questions or explanations, please contact your Gideon instructor.